You look at me like I'm crazy when I shut my feelings out. You look at me like I'm different, still you stay cause you feel something real. Get so lost in my moments, doesn't mean I don't need you.
So you guys, I'm at Target right now and I came across this rug from Opal House. I don't know if this is new, but it's new to me. It is this really pretty, just, oh, it's an outdoor rug, darn it. But this will be so cute for indoors as well. I love that detailing on it. I think it's so cute, and it has this nice soft like furry stuff on it, like the furry, what is this called? Like a plush rug. I don't know what to call this. It has like this really soft material on here. Oh, I just love it so much. I think it's so cute. I would definitely use this inside, and this thing is huge. So that's that there. If you guys are looking for an outdoor rug, this is a good one. It's super cute and neutral. I also came across this really pretty rug. I would so get this, but our floors in our apartment are like almost this color. It's super dark. But if you guys have lighter floors, I highly recommend this one. It's so cute. I love that wool texture detail. Very, very pretty. I have a small haul for you guys. I just went to Michael's and I came across this really, really pretty wreath for spring. This is a magnolia wreath. And I've been eyeballing the one from Magnolia Home for the longest time, but I just cannot find myself to spend $100 on a wreath. So when I came across this one, I was like, this is perfect. It's that nice green color for spring. And then maybe towards the fall, I may give in and purchase the one from Magnolia Home because it does look a little bit more fallish. But this one will do for now. I love it. I think it looks so realistic and the quality of it is so good. It's very heavy, I must say. It's a good, what am I trying to say? It's a nice sized wreath. Just the quality of it, just by like holding it, you can feel how good it is. It has a nice weight to it. That's what I'm trying to say. It has a really nice weight to it. And look how just the leaves look very, very realistic. So I picked that up. That was $69.99, but their spring and Easter stuff is on sale right now, so I did not pay that much for it. I also came across these cute little plants, and these were only $4.99, so I thought that was a steal. And like I said, their spring and Easter is on sale, so these came to about $2 or $3. And then I came across these, and I could not pass these up. So they say toilets, gals, and gents. So the reason why I picked these up, first of all, is because I'm going to be redoing our guest bathroom, and my vision is to add some golds in there. I think it's gonna look pretty. I just have to get all of the stuff, like my inspo board and all that together, so that I can see how everything is going to come together. But that's my idea. I think that's gonna look super cute. I love that Michael's had those, and these are $9.99 a piece, but they are on sale right now. So go grab them if you have been looking for some gold decor items for your space as well. Very good deal. And then last but not least, from Target, I picked up these 3 storage bins. It comes as a set of 3, and I'm going to be using these in my girls' room. If you've been following my channel, you know that their room is very, very neutral, and I thought these would go perfect. I love the colors. So the larger one is like a grayish color, and then there's a tan and a darker gray inside. I don't know what I'm going to put on these just yet, but I think they'll come to good use. So I got that, and these were $5. So super cute finds. I'm very, very excited with my purchase. So that's it. Before I start decorating, I'm going to get dinner started. So tonight we are having some baked asparagus with garlic, black pepper, a little bit of garlic powder, olive oil, salt, and pepper. And then we're also having some Cajun shrimp and salmon Alfredo. Let me tell you guys, this dish was so good. So I just seasoned this meat up with some Old Bay seasoning, garlic powder, a little bit of black pepper, and that's pretty much all that you need. You can add a little bit of salt if you want that nice crunchy layer on top. It's completely up to you, but to me personally, the Old Bay has enough seasoning on its own. So then I just have my classics, the Alfredo sauce, the fettuccine noodles, and then that good old Parmesan cheese. So this is what dinner looks like, all plated, and it was so simple and very delicious.
There's something different about
I
us.
just went through one of my bags that I had from last year for my spring and Easter decor. And you guys, I completely forgot that I had these bunnies. How adorable are these? I got these a couple years ago from Kirkland's, and these have to be my most favorite bunnies by far. They did release some bunnies last year, which they have again this year, but I'm not a fan of them. I just love these. They're neutral and they're so cute. I also came across these little eggs that I didn't even open up last year. I planned to use them. I don't know what happened, but maybe I'll use a few of them this year. I don't know. I don't think Hobby Lobby has these this year again. Not that I've seen, I'm not sure. Maybe they do, but I also have these carrots that came from the dollar spot last year from Target. I believe it was last year. And then I have this little bunny eared wreath that I got from Kirkland's a couple years ago as well. See, it's just amazing the things that you can find when you actually look through your stuff first. So I probably didn't even need to get half of the stuff that I got, but it's all good. We're gonna play around with this stuff and see how it all comes out. I'm really excited. So now on to the fun part, which is decorating. Here in this space, I didn't quite know what I wanted to do, but I did know that I wanted to keep it nice and simple. As you'll see in some of the clips, I add stuff and then I remove it. That's just my way of decorating. It's all about trial and error and just finding what works for the space. So I'm not gonna think too hard on this space. I'm gonna move over to a different space in just a minute. That way I'm not overcrowding my creativity. I know that it will come back to me in a little while, so that's completely okay. Sometimes it takes just that, leaving a space alone and then coming back to it later on.
Not safe and sound. What if I'm not good for you? What if you're not good for me? Yeah. What if I'm not good?
I so badly wanted to fit this little vase here, but it was just not working, as you can see. So don't worry, I did find a perfect spot for it, and you'll see that in another video. Now this area here was a little tricky to me. I had a whole vision in mind, and you know, sometimes our visions just don't play out to what you expect them to be, but that's totally fine as well. But I went ahead and borrowed this little side table from our bedroom, which I do plan on getting new side tables because I'm doing our whole bedroom completely different. And these side tables are a little too warm for the furniture that I already have placed in our bedroom, so I thought this was the perfect spot. I think it looks super cute. I like it so far, so I'm just playing around with the decor here, and then I'll show you guys the final result.
What if I'm not good for you? What if you're not good for me? Yeah. What if I'm not good for you? What if you're not good for me? Yeah.
Everyone has been raving about these bunnies from Target, and yes, I did pick myself up one as well, and they are just as cute in person as they are in photos. I love them so much. Here I'm just mopping the floors with some warm water, Pine Sol, and a little bit of bleach. And y'all, let me just say, I was looking a hot mess in this video, and I honestly don't really care. I was just so tired this day, but I had started decorating on my own before I started filming, and I was like, you know what, I need to get in the habit of me just pulling out the camera and filming whatever I do. So that's exactly what I did. I went in the bathroom, brushed my hair, put it in a ponytail, and decided to film for you guys. So here we are. So So now I'm just cleaning a rug that I got from Boutique Rugs, and I absolutely love this. I think it's very, very pretty. It makes its appearance every so often, but I did put it back down because my 6-month-old, soon to be 7-month, is now crawling and she is on the move. Here is the final look of this space. I love how it came out, although I do need to add in a photo in that picture frame, which I will probably be doing today. And then I will be showing you guys the final look of this entire space during my spring home tour. So there are 2 more spaces that I would like to decorate with you guys, and that will be the living room and the kitchen. That will be in one video together, so you guys will get a good amount of decorating inspo. I really hope that today I was able to bring some spring decorating motivation to you guys, as well as cleaning. And if you did enjoy this video, please give me that thumbs up. It really helps to support my channel. Also subscribe if you are new. I have so much more content coming towards your way. And yeah, until then, I will see you guys in my next video. You can enjoy the rest of these clips, and bye for now.
I love it, how your touch feels. I love it, how you look at me in my place. No, I don't wanna waste no precious time. You said the last kiss was the last kiss. Make it hard for you to leave. We're telling secrets in between the sheets. I don't want you to leave. I would fall in a second if you let me, 'cause you're all that I want, could you let me in? The last drink was the last drink, but I don't wanna leave. I wanna get closer, don't want this night to be over. Wanna get closer, it's not over, yeah. We could go back to my place, 'cause I don't wanna waste no precious time. So let's go back to my place. If it's only for tonight, let's make it count. I love it, how your touch feels. I love it, how you look at me in my place. No, I don't wanna waste no precious time. Don't waste no precious time. Go back to my place. Don't waste no precious time. Go back to my place. Don't waste no precious time. Go back to my place. Don't waste no precious time. Go back to my place. I wanna get closer. Don't want this night to be over. Wanna get closer. It's not